Introduction to Machine Learning. Before discussing about the concept of machine learning in detail, I thought to resolve the extensively spreaded misconception associated with the relationship between machine learning and artificial intelligence. Does artificial intelligence means same as the machine learning? Or are there any distinctions between machine learning and artificial intelligence? If so, what are they? Let's commence from that point. Artificial intelligence or AI can be identified as an umbrella of technologies. Why did I refer it as an umbrella of technologies? Because there are numerous ways where we can generate AI, and machine learning is just only a one prominent pathway. Keep that thoroughly in your mind. So we can identify as machine learning is a subset coming under the branch or the umbrella of AI. AI is focusing on the intelligent behaviors, practices, or anatomical structures associated with humans and animals, considering their cognitive aspects as well. Let's try to understand this with some examples. Depending on the way how a human doctor consults a patient and reaches to a diagnosis, concept of expert systems emerge out, which is an important subdiscipline coming under the umbrella of AI. Further, depending on the structural arrangement of the neuron cells in human brain, the concept of neural networks emerged out, which is also a specific subcategory coming under AI linked with machine learning. Not only the humans, animal behavior is also integral. Via observing the behavior of group of ants, rationale of ant colony emerged out, which is attached with another subsection called optimizations, organized under the umbrella of AI. Going beyond that, a rationale of swarm intelligence is also appearing as a result of careful investigations conducted on the behavior of insects groups. Likewise, this discussion can be continued. Therefore, it can be concluded as AI is a separate niche where the attempt is to derive computational methods as an approximation of careful study of human and animal behaviors as well as their interactions. Next, what is machine learning? Inception of machine learning is not mainly by studying human or animal content as discussed above. The backbone of machine learning is maths and statistical concepts. So why there is a term called learning resides here? The reason for that is machine learning is a special segment of computational programs derived through the basis of maths and statistics, where they can learn by themselves without the need for explicit programmatic instructions to be provided in a stepwise manner. In a nutshell, if a machine learning program is exposed to a specifically arranged, significantly large data set, it can extract the hidden patterns appearing in the dataset and learn from the dataset without excessive intervention of humans. Henceforth, the emerged machine learning model on top of the learned data can categorize the situations, interactions related with similar temperaments. Machine learning has three main flavors of its application, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. We'll discuss on those aspects in detail with examples in the upcoming segments of this course. Before concluding, we can reach to a conclusion that machine learning is an integral, very significant, one specific pathway coming under the umbrella of artificial intelligence. In other words, it's a very specific pathway where we can generate artificial intelligence. Machine learning cannot be replaced totally with artificial intelligence or vice versa.